Some gifts get a quick smile and disappear into a drawer. A personalized pie server is different. It's practical, easy to use, and tied to the kinds of moments people actually remember. Wedding cake, holiday pie, anniversary dessert, and family gatherings that deserve a little extra thought. What makes this gift work so well is the balance of beauty and function. A pie server already has a clear purpose, so it never feels random or decorative just for the sake of it. Add a name, wedding date, short message, or family title, and it becomes part of the occasion itself. That's why it fits so naturally as a wedding gift, bridal shower gift, hostess gift, or keepsake for someone who loves to bake. When a personalized pie server makes the most sense. For weddings, it's an easy favorite because it can be used during the reception and kept afterward as a lasting reminder of the day. For anniversaries, it feels more personal than another generic kitchen item because the engraving gives it a story. During the holidays, it's a thoughtful choice for the family member who always brings the pie and somehow makes every dessert table look complete. It also works well for housewarmings and Mother's Day. If someone enjoys hosting, baking, or simply making guests feel welcome, this is the kind of gift that gets pulled out again and again. What to engrave on a personalized pie server? The best engraving is usually short and clear. First names and a date are classic for weddings. A family name can make it feel timeless. A simple phrase like "love served here" or "grandma's pie" adds charm without crowding the design. That said, more text is not always better. On metal gift items, clean layout matters. A precise engraving with good spacing tends to look more polished, read more easily, and hold up better as a keepsake piece. Why engraving quality matters. A personalized gift should feel permanent, not printed on and temporary. That's where craftsmanship really shows. Crisp engraving gives the pie server a finished, intentional look and helps it feel like more than a novelty item. At Signature Laser Designs, that focus on precision is what turns an everyday serving piece into a gift with staying power. If you want a gift that feels useful, personal, and celebration ready, a personalized pie server checks every box, and it still earns its place in the kitchen long after the last slice is gone.